Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install RBC Bank on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store here and then go to search bar and type in RBC and search it up. Right afterwards, you will find this kind of interface which lets you have this little download icon. Simply go ahead, tap on it. And now you just have to wait until this blue circle is completed. Once it has been completed, then your mobile banking app will be simply downloaded and installed at once in your mobile phone likewise. So you just have to be patient and wait for a while. So that's basically how it's done. Once this circle is completed, it will be downloaded and will be simply listed right over here in your mobile phone in the home screen. There you go. Once it's done, it's going to show this open option. Go ahead, tap on it and start using it however you like. So that's basically how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.